Hello you guys and welcome to my channel and welcome to a scrap room, the scrap room process video for you, creating with the DoubleShot kit. Today I am going to be creating with Bo Bunny Beautiful Things is the collection. So when you get a Flavors of the Month kit at the scrap room, it's 4 different collections made into like smaller kits, condensed down, perfect if you want a good sampling of all the new stuff out there. I highly recommend it. But then there's a couple add-ons you can do, and one of the add-ons is a DoubleShot kit, or you can do this instead of the Flavors of the Month kit. If you don't want 4 different collections, the DoubleShot kit is just 2 collections, and it gives you enough things to make a few pages. So I'm going to go through with what we get in this kit. So you automatically get some cardstock. You get a sheet of, looks like turquoise mist cardstock and 2 sheets of white cardstock. And that is in this DoubleShot kit of Bo Bunny. Like I said, Beautiful Things. And then, throwing my embellishments around, you get a sheet of the Beautiful Things Garden Party. That's that paper. And this paper, which is gorgeous, one of my favorites, which is Beautiful Things Blooms. And then this one is Beautiful Things Dotted. Also a gorgeous paper. So those are the papers you get. And then you're going to get some embellishments, all to help you make pages. So a lot of this stuff is going to vary. Actually, all of it's going to vary except for the doilies. So you're going to get 3 Bo Bunny doilies. All different. And I've got a row of puffy stickers, and that's going to vary per kit. We've got one sticker sheet from probably a sticker book, and that's gonna vary. I got some good ones on here. I love like little flags and words. This is really fun, and some very nice like rose coppery gold embellishment on there. And then you're going to get a 1/4 pack of the ephemera pack. And that also is going to vary because it's a 1/4 pack ephemera pack. So these are kind of what I got. And if you want the official reveals, make sure you go check out the Scrap Room YouTube channel and see Tina Gale. She's like the queen of revealing all these kits. So, and then looks like I got, I wonder if these are part of the puffies. Oh, they are. Maybe not, they're enamel, but you get some of those too. So those are what you get in the kit. I'm gonna play along with the sketch for the month. So here is that. And I've got 2 photos of my darling son, one of him deep asleep, and then shortly after I took it, he woke up. So it was just kind of a fun little picture. So I will, let me get my photos trimmed down and kind of pick out what I want to use, and let's get creating. All right, I almost got carried away and finished the whole layout without you guys. So I decided on doing this as my background. It's the Painted Dots one. I just love this color, and so I wanted it to be a feature. I trimmed a big chunk, probably a little bit. It's like a little bit bigger than 8 1/4. So it's bigger than what is in the sketch, but I decided to lay my photos down this way. I was gonna put them up this way, but it just looked weird. You can tell they're kind of taken at like a weird angle. So I'd rather have them like this. And I trimmed down this paper and this paper are from the same, so I have a little chunk of this left, but I trimmed it down a little bit to go over or around my photos, and then I'm going to mat them on this pattern paper as well. And then this is going to be the border that goes across the whole way, and then I have my embellishments here. So I just wanted to show you that. So let's get these glued down. I matted my photos on white cardstock. Did I use the white cardstock that came in the kit? I believe so, yes. And what I thought was fun is that the photos kind of like end up facing each other, which is kind of nice. So yeah, mine is going to be a little bit wider. Like the center part to where the photos are is going to be longer than in the sketch, but that's the amazing thing about a sketch. You make it work for you. It's just a jumping off point. We're going to get these glued down, and then I'm going to show you how I like to make banners. There are some people who like to make them super precise. If you have not noticed the title of my channel, you will know that that is not me. I am not one of those people. All right. So mine is going to be more centered on that piece of paper than anything. And I'm debating about inking edges. We might be doing that. But first what I want to do is make my banner. So I just like to fold a piece of paper in half. You start at the corners that met and trim up. Now the banner is still a little bit too long, so I'm gonna go ahead, and that's because I didn't cut the length down at all. So I'm just gonna go above where I cut, and it's just gonna be a little shallower but it just shortens it up just perfectly. So we're gonna glue that down. Is it off to the side in the sketch? I think so. Trying to decide if I want blue. I kind of want blue over here. And I'm thinking about, because this is almost just as long as that, I might just skew them a little bit. Yeah. There we go. I like that. That's kind of how it is in the sketch too. We're gonna center that a little bit better. Skew the photos off to the side a little. And then we'll get all our embellishments. Now I need to decide, do I want to ink edges? And I think I do. I think I'm gonna take some chipped sapphire, because there is some dark blue in this collection. And we're going to ink the edges of everything. So this is chipped sapphire and distressed oxide. So we're just going to ink up. It's interesting that there is dark blue in this collection, but there's none in this like painted striped paper. I guess I didn't look at the very edges of it if it goes, but I don't think so, because that turns into like a purpley pink. And then we'll glue this down. Kind of skew that more to the right. Ooh, I love that. Okay. I think we're gonna ink the edges of the outside as well. Okay, look how happy he is. All right, let's see what we have. That's right, there's some lovely stickers and some puffies and some enamel dots and some ephemera pieces. I love this edge. And I kind of want to tuck that in up there with a doily. Ooh, wouldn't that look kind of nice? And then here's my little enamel things. None of these are really speaking to me. But I like the idea of doing the doily and that, and then it makes me wonder if I should do a doily down here. But with what, I don't know. Like that. And then let's get this doily down. Just barely poking out. There we go. Here. So for straight would be good. and we will put a little so instead of a title over here, I think I'm going to do happiness, beauty is everywhere, and beautiful things. And if we don't like the words, we can always cover them up with something. But I'm liking the words. Kind of coordinating the little, there you go, like that. I'm gonna put this and this over there. Then we've used those. That's fun. I kind of want to do the wonderful across here. Yeah, I don't know if I want to do the wonderful across the bottom. Maybe. It actually might be rather centered. Might have actually got it on the first shot, you guys. And then I feel like I need, so I've got a little bit of that gold over there, a little gold here, and then I need some gold up here. So I think we're gonna take just a couple of these arrows and put them just to bring that color and that shine there as well. Okay, I'm gonna make sure I've got these lined up. And there you go. I love the sketches. They're nice and quick. And then if I wanted or had any more to write, I'd have a little bit of room up here. But these are honestly just some cute photos. I don't have a story. Yeah. So there you go, guys. I like that. That's really cute. There is me using the sketch with the lovely DoubleShot kit, the Bo Bunny one, which is very pretty. Yeah. I appreciate you all. Make sure you check out the scrap room down below and check out the Facebook group so we can, and make sure to share what you create with the kits and things there so we can see what you're doing. I will see you next time. Bye.